If you're dealing with a dishwasher that's not quite as fresh as it once was, I'm here to help you with how to clean dishwasher inside so it's spotless and running like new. Over time, food particles, soap scum, and hard water deposits can build up inside the dishwasher, affecting both its cleaning power and its smell. With regular maintenance, you can prevent these issues and keep your dishwasher working at its best. To start with how to clean dishwasher inside, you'll need a few basic supplies: white vinegar, baking soda, a sponge or cloth, an old toothbrush, and warm water. First, make sure your dishwasher is empty and take out the bottom rack to give yourself room to work. Now, check the dishwasher drain at the bottom. Food debris can sometimes clog it. If you see any buildup, carefully remove it by hand to improve drainage. Next, wipe down the inside surfaces of the dishwasher door and the rubber gasket around it. These areas often trap residue that can contribute to odors. Dampen a cloth with warm water and vinegar. Then wipe down the entire door, including the edges and corners. If there are any hard-to-reach spots or stubborn buildup, a toothbrush can help scrub them clean. This step is essential when learning how to clean dishwasher inside thoroughly. Once the door and drain are clean, it's time to tackle the rest of the interior. Place a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher safe bowl or cup on the top rack. Run a hot water cycle with just the vinegar. The vinegar will break down grease, dissolve mineral deposits, and help eliminate odors, leaving the inside of your dishwasher fresh and sanitized. After the vinegar cycle finishes, sprinkle a cup of baking soda across the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a short hot cycle. The baking soda will deodorize the interior and help remove any remaining residue. This two-step process is a simple but powerful method for how to clean dishwasher inside and restore its shine. For dishwashers that have removable filters, be sure to clean those too. Pull out the filter, usually located at the bottom, and rinse it under warm water, using a toothbrush to gently scrub away any trapped particles. A clean filter will help your dishwasher perform more efficiently, ensuring spotless dishes every time. To keep things fresh, I recommend doing this deep clean once a month, especially if you use your dishwasher regularly. Regular maintenance like this will prevent buildup and help extend the life of your appliance. By following these steps on how to clean dishwasher inside, you'll eliminate odors, improve performance, and keep your dishwasher looking and smelling great. If you run into any issues or notice recurring problems, don't hesitate to call a technician. Taking these small steps will keep your dishwasher in top condition for years to come.